At Norfolkline, we own 1,100 trailers. You've seen them yourself throughout Europe. Passed them on the motorway. Watched them through your town. So why look closer at this one? Because if you're in the transport business, this trailer is worth a second look. It's the first of its kind. It moves 20% more tonnage per load, makes less noise about it. It's easier going on all road surfaces. It's kinder on the environment. It will save you trips. It will even cut your carrying costs. This is our 38-ton triaxle trailer. On May the 1st, it at last becomes legal in Britain. And our fleet of 300 will be first into action. To achieve this unique situation now, we had to take long-term risks and decisions way back. When Armitage first gave the green light in principle, we started immediately turning principle into practice. This, in 1980, was our standard trailer. 2 axles, leaf sprung, 20 tons load. Looking a long way ahead, we saw the need for a triaxle 24-ton loader. But that need would not arise for 2 years. So we designed these biaxles with a triaxle option. We gave them air suspension. We worked out the possible axle positions and loadings, so that when the day of the triaxle came, conversion was quick and simple. This year, that conversion has been forging ahead at Pacton's, our Dutch trailer makers at Omen. Here come the extra axles. They're put together with the air suspension system. This special trolley, designed by Pacton's, turns modification into a relatively simple job. Out comes the old assembly, on goes the new axle. Back goes the trolley. And another biaxle is now a triaxle. A skilled Pacton team has handled 116 such conversions over the last 6 months. And some we've tested in make-or-break conditions. This is the test track at Nuneaton, run by the British Motor Industry Research Association. They're putting the new Norfolk trailer through the Belgian pavé test, and you can see how it performs. That's a leaf-sprung tractor they're using, and the driver's getting a rougher ride than the trailer's air-sprung load. Now come the braking and docking tests, essential when a trailer's designed for roll-on, roll-off operations. The stability test. On this high-speed ride, we took the corners better than ever, even if in the end the sparks did fly. All this happened, remember, with a much bigger load on board, an extra 4 tons on each trailer. The extra 4 tons per trip that could make a big difference when you're journey planning, load splitting, or cost cutting. Where could you use them? Anywhere within the Norfolkline network. And that extends from Liverpool to Luxembourg, from Milan to Manchester, Darlington to Danzig, Bremen to Birmingham. Any town to any town in a 2-way traffic right across Europe. Your goods travel in a Norfolkline trailer. Assemble at a Norfolkline terminal. Cross on a Norfolkline vessel. Norfolkline is the only line that handles freight operations in this fully integrated way. Let's take a look at the way it works.
Good afternoon, trailer bookings. Shell Chemicals at Manchester, yes?
There's an order coming in to the Great Yarmouth Transport Office. A collection at Manchester. A trailer's booked. A driver is briefed. A few hours later, that trailer is pulling into Yarmouth to await the next Norfolk Line sailing. Its quayside time will never be long, but while it's here, it's safe. Those covers may hide some very valuable cargoes. The documentation goes on. The bill of lading, the priority ratings, the customs clearance from Norfolk Line's own bonded area, the loading and unloading sequence. They all go down on the IBM computer, ready for relay to Holland. Now, loading begins. And you'd better look sharp, for turnaround time on these ships is a scant 2 hours, and these charges really do charge. The team of 12 dockers are specialists, and stoppages simply aren't part of their game. We're sailing on schedule. 1,600 tons and 80 meters of roll-on, roll-off ferry takes the shortest route across the North Sea to Scheveningen. Norfolk Line's European terminal accepts the Duke of Holland, one of the 3 vessels in the Norfolk Line fleet that keep up an 8-hour shuttle week in, week out. Even before our trailer's unloaded, its contents, its load, its customs clearance, its destination have come over by computer from Yarmouth. So, when it comes off the ship, it needs only a quick service check before it's on its way. From Scheveningen, it's going to Hamburg. We'll follow it up to the frontier. Since its departure from Manchester, it has taken 32 hours. One company's looked after it all the way, hauling it, guarding it, insuring it, shipping it, maintaining it, keeping it on schedule right to its destination. You've just seen a Norfolk Line trailer. We hope you'll ask for one next time.